Hello everyone, look at this material. On several of my old tutorials, I show you how to draw them and get them. If you are interested, click here for the tutorial. And on today's tutorial and the following video, I will select some of this material to make different combinations, and then I will print out and make them in reality. Okay, now let's pick some material to make today's design. I would like to take this one. Okay, this is the design. So I will print out the backdrop and set up everything in reality. Let's go. Okay, so I passed the design to the factory and asked them to print and cut for me. Okay, now let's install the backdrop. Okay, the arch was set up. And then I will set up the other two backdrops and put them together. Okay, look, this is the effect after I set up the other two backdrops and put them like this. Since the procedure about the setup are the same, so I don't repeat on this video. If you are interested to the detail about how to set up the other two backdrops, check my old tutorial will be okay. Click here for the old tutorial. Okay then, let's decorate the backdrop with some flowers. First of all, let's make the flower garland and hang on the arch. Okay, making the flower garland, I will use this flower foam chain. Take the length we want. And before we insert the flower on the foam, I need to make a base for it, because I will clip the ball on the backdrop. Okay, I will tie them together. Okay, very sturdy. You can make it much more sturdy. And then I will make for the other floral foam. Okay, completed with all the floral foam. And then, very simple, just insert the flower and leaf on the floral foam will be okay. But I will tie the leaf wire on the foam because I don't have enough leaf on hand, so I need to use the leaf wire by instead. I like to use this fork to fix them together. If you don't have this material, you can tie them on the foam will be okay. Or in fact, if you have enough leaf, you just insert the leaf on the floral foam. That will be perfect. I make it because I don't have enough leaf on hand. Okay, to make it firmly, I think I will tie them together also. Okay, completed with the leaf wire. And then, very simple, just use our stand, different lengths of stand. Insert our leaf, insert on our leaf, and put on the foam will be okay, like the flowers also. Okay, completed with the flower arrangement. Actually, it's very simple. Just insert the flower and leaf on the floral foam and adjust until satisfied will be okay. Okay then, let's put it on the arch. Okay, look, first of all, I clip the garland on the top. Since I'm holding the foam, it's not convenient to show you how. Actually, it's very detailed. Remember the hard cardboard? Just clip the hard cardboard together with our backdrop, with the clamp will be okay. And then we can adjust the place of the garland. Okay, let's adjust the place of the garland. Look, use this clamp. And then, look, remember our hard cardboard. Very simple. Just clip them together. Look, this one also. This is very easy, very simple ways to fix the garland on the arch and adjust the place. If you want it to be much more firm, look, this is the foam ball. You can nail the hole on the foam ball, this arch backdrop, and then use the zip tie to tie the flower garland backdrop and together with our backdrop stand. That will be much more firmly. But since I only making the sample, so using this way will be much more easy. Okay then, let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. After we clamp the backdrop and the flower garland together and adjust the garland place. Okay, the following will be very simple. Just put some flower on this plate and this plate. Okay, look, and then put the flower on the floor. Look. And then let's stick the side on the backdrop. Okay, look. Then let's check the effect. I didn't show you the detail about how to make the flower arrangement and put it on the top and on the floor because I already took a tutorial to show you the detail. So I don't repeat on this video. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. Okay then, let's put on the pedestal and our cake. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, the pedestal was set up, and then let's put on our cake. My DIY artificial cake. Okay then, let's check the effect. It looks like this plate a little bit empty. Let's make something bright. Okay, I put a small LED sign on it, and then the whole design completed. Okay, let's check it from top and from the bottom. For your information, we accept customize the backdrop. You can tell me the color, the size, or the idea of the backdrop you want. We can help to print out the backdrop and send to you together with the accessory. Now let's zoom in for the detail. Look. Our flower and leaf pedestal. We surprise almost all the material used on the video, include the flower, leaf, and pedestal. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link to the information field below this video. Okay. And the flower on the top. Again, let's check the whole effect. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.